Hey guys, we're at W4 Car Wash and we are going through it because our first one got a lot of good views and we're fixing to head through it. Hope you enjoy. Get those lights. Alright. It'd be cool if we could stick the GoPro on the front of the GoPro here about 9 on the front of our
That'll
car.
probably break it. Is it waterproof? Rainbow! You have to move the car. Rainbow! Rainbow! Rainbow!
Cotton candy!
Experiment goes on there and it turns like blue and then it turns red. Oh! Imagine we just layer it like that. Remember that's what the yesterday?
Yo.
You're not even hitting our car. Oh, it sounds so cool. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, what is that? It's like we're in a giant cloud. Unlock our car is sliding! And remember the big towel? Big run towel thing.
We got the best one.
Are they putting, how are they going to put the same ceramic coating on? Is that
Whoa!
Right here, that's funny. Right here. Ooh. Is this ceramic coating? Is this just, what is ceramic coating thing? Right. Looks like we're in the water. Looks like we're in They're pushing our car?
Bye guys, hope you enjoyed.
Bye.
See ya!